Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to fix keyboard not working issue in your Windows 10. So let's begin our video. So guys, if you're going to type something in your PC but your keyboard is not working, but your keyboard is okay, how can you solve this problem? In this video I will show that. So for that you just need to go on here start button and right click on your mouse, and then you can see there have an option for device manager. Select on it, and after select device manager you just need to go on here keyboards option, select on it, and then there you can see there have two options. Here you can see first on, second on. So you just need to select on first on at first, then right click on your mouse, and then you just need to click on update driver. You just need to update this first driver. After completely update this first driver, just go on second driver. Right click on it and update this driver at the same way. After completely update these two driver, you just need to list back and you need to restart your PC, and after that your PC's keyboard is working perfectly, all problem is solved. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.